How to become magnetic, the hidden psychological move that draws people in. Some people walk into a room and instantly command attention. They are magnetic. But here's the secret, it is not money or status, it is one hidden psychological move. And once you learn it, people cannot help but be drawn to you. Human attraction. It's not just about romance, it is about magnetism. Some people naturally draw others in, whether in business, friendship, or leadership. We assume born that way, but in reality, magnetism can be learned. It is built on psychology's subtle signal, behaviors, and energy that influence how people perceive you. In this video, we explore how to become magnetic and the hidden psychological move that makes people want to be around you. You will learn the difference between superficial charm and true magnetism. The psychology behind why we are drawn to certain people. The hidden move that flips attraction instantly. Real life example of magnetic behavior in action and how you can apply it to become unforgettable in any room. By the end, you will know exactly how cultivate magnetic presence without faking or forcing it. What magnetism really is. Magnetism is not about being the loudest, best dressed, or most confident in the room. It is about presence. When you are magnetic, people feel drawn to you, even if they don't know why. It is a combination of calm confidence, subtle attention, and emotional influence. Charm fades when exposed. Magnetism grows deeper with time. Because true magnetism is not about impressing people, it is about making them feel something around you while we're drawing to certain people. Psychologists explain attraction through two forces, safety and energy. We are drawn to people who make us feel safe because safety is here, and we are drawn to people who radiate energy because energy is contagious. Magnetic people balance both. They are calm enough to grow around others, but without vibrance enough to leave the room. This balance is what makes people gravitate to them. The hidden move, deep listening. So, what is the hidden psychological move? It is deep listening. Think about it. Most people don't actually listen, they wait to speak. But magnetic people listen differently. They give full presence, they hold eye contact, they reflect back emotion, and in a moment, the other person feels seen. This flip attraction instantly because people are not obsessed with you, they are obsessed with how they feel around you. Step 1, mastering presence. Step 1 of deep listening is presence. When you are with someone, you are not halfway on your phone or drafting in your head. You are there fully. Presence is magnetic because it is real. In a world of distraction, focus feels like a gift. Whoever gifts it become unforgettable. Step 2, body language of attention. The second step is body language. Leaning slightly forward, relaxed shoulders, steady eye contact, soft nods at the right moment. This signal whispered, I'm with you, and nothing makes a person more magnetic than making others feel valid. Step 3, mirroring emotions. The third step is mirroring emotions. Magnetic people don't just hear words, they reflect feelings. If someone share excitement, they share it. If someone feel pain, they soften with empathy. Mirroring creates emotional resonance, and resonance is the glue of human connection. Examples of magnetism in action. Picture a leader who walks into a meeting. They don't dominate the room with volume. They sit quietly, listen, and they speak briefly, clearly. Everyone leans in. Why? Because their presence feel magnetic. Or imagine a friend who, no matter what you share, makes you feel heard and understood. You cannot wait to spend time with them, not because they are flashy, but because they give you something real, genuine attention. Training your magnetism. Magnetism is not a talent, it is a practice. Each time you choose presence over distraction, you grow magnetic. Each time you listen deeply instead of rushing to reply, you grow magnetic. Each time you mirror emotion instead of not ignoring it, you grow magnetic. Over time, this becomes your natural way of being, and people feel it without you saying a word. Magnetism is not about tricking or pretending to be someone you are not. It's about presence. It is about deep listening. It is about making others feel safe, seen, and energized around you. That is the ideal psychological move. It is simple, but it's powerful enough to draw anyone in. Because at the end of the day, people will forget your words. They might forget what you did, but they will never forget how you made them feel. And that is what makes you magnetic. If this video gave you insight, imagine the change when you apply it. For more on psychology, influence, and self-mastery, subscribe to True Calf because the next video may reveal the exact shift you've been waiting for. Thank you.